Hello, little buddies! It's me! Today, we will meet a super yummy community helper. He makes tasty food, he wears a tall white hat. Can you guess who? Ta-da! He's our friendly neighborhood chef. I cook delicious and healthy food for everyone. Yummy pasta, soup, and bread.
Wow, cool!
I keep my kitchen super clean and safe, so our food is healthy and fresh. I feed people with love. I'm at homes, schools, and restaurants.
Yummy!
And I teach everyone to eat colorful fruits and veggies to stay strong. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, little chefs.
Next time, we will meet a super hard-working friend who under the sun in big green fields grows yummy food for us. Can you guess who? If you loved meeting our chef, please like, follow, and subscribe for more community helper adventures. Bye-bye!